Today we will guide you how to connect your device to the HomGar app. First, download HomGar app, register HomGar account and open the app. Click the plus button in the upper right corner and then select Socket Hub to add a device. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. If your Wi-Fi is 5 GHz, please set it to 2.4 GHz. Plug the Socket Hub gateway into the socket, and press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to make the light flash quickly and enter the pairing mode. The device is connected successfully. Return to the home page and you will see all connected devices. On the gateway page, click Sub-Devices and select Add Device List and select 2-Zone Water Timer. Press and hold the switch valve of the device to enter the flash matching mode. Operate and match according to the app guide to add devices. The device is successfully connected. Return to the home page, you will see all connected devices. Now you can use the app to set up your irrigation plan.